Today, Governor Herbert visited a Utah company, Merit Medical Systems in South Jordan. In that facility, they're producing sample and collection kits needed for coronavirus testing. Governor Herbert spoke with facility workers about what this could mean for Utah's capability to continue testing for the virus.
The belief is that testing is the key to flattening the curve and understanding how to treat. It becomes mission critical.
We've ordered as a state now 400,000 of these testing kits with these swabs and the vials and the reagent. And we appreciate the fact we're going to have some. And we're going to have enough for our needs.
So our goal is to build the swab, build the media, or make the media, to build the vial and put it all together in a kit. So we're going to be a full-line manufacturer, which is kind of what we do anyway every day.
The first hurdle was how are swabs made and what kind of swab do we need to make? The stick we injection mold, and then there's an adhesive that goes on the stick that holds the fibers. How do we get fibers on that adhesive and cure it? And so that was a challenge. We did some swabs by hand. That looked pretty good. So we were very encouraged. By the end of the day, in the beginning of the next week, we felt good enough to say, okay, we have a process that we could probably live with and start doing our design verification and validation. We're looking at duplicating the line. We had calculated that a single shift with one line could do 10,000 a day. So obviously now doing 2 lines and double shifts and that sort of thing, you can do the math there. Instead of trying to figure out new ways to do things, we're taking with what we know and just multiplying it.
Remember now, all of this has happened in 3 weeks. I'm speaking to you in the 3rd week of all this. And yet production started today. And within about 10 days from now, we will start delivering this to the marketplace.
One thing that I have come to appreciate here at Merit is Fred is willing to invest. He's a visionary and he gives the objective and then he gives us the tools to do it. Merit can take something from concept to production with good science to back it up.
I don't know how to express how rewarding it is to make a difference. I think we've always tried to do this, but this is something that affects every inhabitant of this planet. And they're all at risk. We're on the field. We're playing. And we're playing hard. And we're playing to win. And win isn't for Merit, it's for the human race.